Welcome back viewers. Now we will see how we can check regulation of any broker from agencies. Okay, from any kind of regulating authority, how we can check that this broker is regulated or not. I will explain it with full details. For example, here I have opened xnext.com, brilliant broker, my favorite and number one broker. Okay, so I have opened this website of xnext.com. Okay, now keep in mind that all of the brokers, about majority brokers, they provide their regulation license number, registration number at the end of their website. Okay, majority of the brokers, about 90% of the brokers, they provide their license number, registration number, and everything there which is included in their regulation they provide at the end of their website. Like here in this example we will see, my dear students, like xnext.com, they are saying that we are registered at this number. Okay, here I want to highlight it, from Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. They have given their license number, this one 178 by 12. Okay, and operates with the website of this one. Okay, so they have provided their license number here. Okay, they have written at the end. Also we can check it here. Also we can check just by clicking their regulation. Okay, we will click on regulation and then we will see from which authorities they are regulated. Okay, so they are telling us that they are regulated from Financial Conduct Authority, FCA. Okay, with this reference number, register number. Okay, and we will check and verify it also. And similarly they have provided Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission license number also, and they have attached link also. So first of all we will check they are either regulated from Financial Conduct Authority or not. For this, simply we will go to fca.org.uk, Financial Conduct Authority official website. Okay, then we will click here Financial Services Register. Okay, then I will type xnext. Okay, so here we can see our required registration number. Okay, as we can see xnext have already provided here on this link, they have provided their registration number. I will highlight it. This is their registration number. Okay, first of all this one. So here we can see 730729 authorized. Okay, they are provided. Okay, xnext Europe Limited. So this is their reference number. Okay, and similarly here we can see FCA, Financial Conduct Authority reference number in the UK, in the country of United Kingdom. We can check also this one, xnext Cyprus Limited 606828. Okay, which is already, which we can see it here right now. Okay, similarly in the Italy, Sweden, Spain and different countries, they have provided all of their regulation with full detail. Okay, so in this way we can check any broker regulation from our regulating authorities. Okay, now keep one thing in mind, that every broker is not registered from all of the institutions. Okay, like for example xnext is registered from FCA and CYSEC. Okay, and but it does not mean IC Market will also be regulated from all of these conducting authorities too. Okay, now we will check xnext registration or license number on Cyprus Securities and exchange. First of all we will go to their website and then we will click on regulated entities. Okay, then we will type xnext here. Okay, then I will click on search. So here we can see we got this link XNX. I will click on just here and then I will get its information. We can see XNX Cyprus Limited. This is their license number and their registration number with full license date and all of full details. Okay, and for example, if I will click on there on this link which is provided on the XNX website, so it will bring me up to the same link which I got it right now. Okay, this one and this link, both of these links are same. Okay, similarly we will check now verification of IC Markets. Okay, IC Markets is a brilliant broker. First of all, we will open its website. Okay, and then we will go to its bottom. Here we can see they have given their registration and license number. Okay, they say that International Capital Markets holds an Australian financial services to carry all of their details. Okay, and they have given their license number also. Now we will go to Australian Securities and Investment Commission website and then we will search IC Markets. Okay, for example, we will type IC Markets here and then I will click on search. Okay, then it will give me its detail. So here we got different results and then I will click on first one. Okay, so it's opening right now. There we can see our ACN number is present here and this number also. Now we will try to verify these numbers, okay, which are present on here. You can see 123289109 and similarly this number is same. I will also highlight this number. This 123289110 and AFSL number 335692. Okay, and similarly 335692, this is their number. Okay, so in this way we can check regulation of any kind of broker. So we have checked that IC Markets is also regulated from Australian Securities and Exchange Commission. Okay, so in this way we can check regulation of any broker whatever we want. Other method which I am going to tell you, we will go to this website www.investing.com. very important website. Okay, we will be using it for our fundamental analysis. Okay, so first of all we will go to this website, then we will come here and we will click on Forex brokers. Okay, just click on Forex brokers and then it is going to give us all the details of a broker. Okay, like Forex Time, 24 Option, XM Group, FXCM. This website is also giving us registration. So instead of going to Financial Conduct Authority website or anywhere, you can check it from their regulation. First of all, I will click on here, and once I am going to click on their regulators, it will give me Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission and International Financial Services Commission. Okay, this is regulated from these two regulators. Okay, similarly if I am going to click on XM, then it will give me its regulators. As you can see right now, Australian Securities and Investment Commission, Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, okay, Financial Conduct Authority and International Financial Services Commission. Okay, similarly we can see our different brokers. Okay, like here we can check our XNX regulation. It is saying that Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission and Financial Conduct Authority, XNX, is regulated from these two regulators. Okay, so in this way you can check any of your broker. Okay, these are Forex broker. If you want to get cryptocurrency broker, then you can click on here. Okay, our concern is only for Forex. So we will just check forex broker. Okay, so in this way you can check forex broker regulation. Another method which I am going to tell you all of my dear students, we will go to this website also, www.earnforex.com. okay, this is a very good website for forex brokers information. Okay, and what we will do, we will click on here forex brokers. Okay, as you can see, it is giving us variety. Okay, a huge variety for choosing our forex brokers. Like for example, if you want to choose MT4 brokers, on payment processor brokers like WebMoney, ECN brokers, Bitcoin brokers, zero separate brokers, high leverage, UK, and similarly Australian securities investment, etc. So you can choose any kind of your broker. I will click there on forex brokers, and now we will see we are going to get huge variety of forex broker. Here we can see FXTM. Okay, we will see their minimum account size, broker rating, okay, minimum position size, payment, like they have shown Skrill, Bitcoin, and other options too, leverage, and serious regulation. Here we can see their regulation, Cypress, FCA, FSB, and similarly other brokers too. Okay, now we can see 24 option, similarly Octopix. Okay, their regulation they have shown, their leverage, and their countries where they are located, everything in full detail. Okay, similarly we can see FX Open. Okay, their platform. On this website we can check also platforms also like MT4, MT5, C Trader, etc, etc. Okay, like here is XNext, its minimum deposit, its rating, okay, its regulation, its leverage, all of full details for any broker which we can check. So this website is also important for checking the regulation of forex brokers. Okay, it's very important to have great knowledge of forex regulation. Okay, and I have tried to explain it in a very simple way so that you should understand it. Majority of the brokers, they have explained at the end of their website that from which regulating authorities they are regulated. Okay, like XNext. Okay, I have explained example of IC markets, and then we have seen that we will come to investing.com and just be clicking there on brokers, on forex brokers, and similarly after the earn forex we will check our brokers too. Okay, and we will get all the details. Okay, so this is how we can check our regulation of any broker. Okay, which is very important, because all the money which you are going to invest in forex trading, this is your money of hard work. Okay, your blood, sweat, and tears, and everything. Okay, and regulation of forex broker is very important. So I have tried to explain it up to my huge level of knowledge which I know in according to check the regulation of forex brokers. Okay, I'm sure that now you have got full concept of it. Okay, thank you so much.